If we only could talk just a little, find a place where the past is forgiven. You moved on, I am stuck in the middle. Tried to run, but there's nowhere to go. Even in my sleep.
Hey guys, tonight I'm sharing with you my nighttime routine. This is something I will do in the wintertime almost nightly if I am lucky enough. So I like to start with pouring myself a glass of wine, and this is one of my favorite types of wine. It is the Cupcake brand, but it's Moscato d'Asti, and it's a bubbly wine, and it's really sweet and I really love it. So I suggest trying it if you do like wine. And then I'm gonna light this Bath & Body Works candle. And I am going to be using some new products that I just got from Grove Collaborative, and it is their body care collection, and I got the scent lavender. You can choose from a few different scents, but I love the lavender. And you're going to get this lotion, body wash, and a loofah if you use my link and you are a new customer. If you are an existing customer, you can use my link and get a free lip gloss, so that's pretty cool. I really like the body care set. I love the cleaning stuff, you guys know that, and once I tried the body stuff, I fell in love with it as well. I am using some Epsom salt in my bath because it helps just to relieve any toxins from your body and also to just soothe any aches and pains or sore muscles that you might have. As you can see, I added some of the body wash into my water to make some bubbles, and it just smelled really nice. And then before I get in the bath, I'm going to wash off my makeup, and I have recently fallen in love with these unique products. These are some of the skincare products, and I'm going to be using the Pore Purifying Cleanser to remove my makeup, and then I'm going to do that Detox Mask. It's like a black charcoal looking mask, but when you put it on your skin, it bubbles up and kind of fizzes, and it feels really good, and you can just really feel it cleaning out your pores. I really like that mask, and I highly suggest trying their skincare line if you are looking for new products. I have been trying them for about a month now, and I have seriously fallen in love with their line. So that is what I'm using to take my makeup off, and then once I get out of the bath and wash that mask off, I will show you what I use at that point. But for now, I'm going to just let you guys sit back and watch the video.
I've been praying through the evening. I've been praying through the night, asking every heart.
If you guys are interested in these unique products, the mascara that I wear is also unique, and I get asked about it a lot. I do sell unique, but I spend all the money that I make buying more products from them. That is how much I love them. So I really only sell it just to buy more products. So if you guys are interested, definitely check out my link in the description box. And if you need any suggestions on things to try, you can ask me and I will try and help you the best that I can.
I've been breaking through the day, but I've been picking up the pieces so we can remake us again. Take what you need.
So while I am in the bath, I do use my phone. I know someone will probably scold me for that. I have done this for years, and so far I have never dropped my phone in the water, knock on wood. But this is the time that I use to watch YouTube and just catch up on social media. I really enjoy doing it this way, and like I said, I've never had any issues. So that's what I do. Like I said, I've never dropped it in the bath, and I've done this for years, so hopefully it doesn't happen, but that's just real life, and that's what I really do in the bath, so I wanted to share with you guys. 99% of the time when I am taking a bath, this is where you can find my sweet Tucker boy.
Lost without you, lost without you, lost without you, lost without you.
Okay, so now it is time to take off the mask, and I'm using this Heliderm Vitamin C Serum. I showed this in a recent My Favorite Beauty and Skincare Products, and I do use this, guys, in real life. I use it nightly for sure, and a lot of times I'll use it in the morning also before I put my makeup on. I really like it a whole lot. They sent me 2 bottles, and I'm so happy because I'm definitely going to be using both of those bottles. And then I'm just putting on the Unique Royalty Moisturizing Day Cream, and I also love that stuff really well. I have really dry skin, and I like using that moisturizer. I'm kind of picky when it comes to moisturizers, and that one gets a big thumbs up from me. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some lotion all over my body, and I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Lavender. It smells so good. Lavender is just such a nice and soothing scent, and it comes from Mrs. Meyer's, so you know I'm going to love it.
To grow, take what you need, take what you need from me.
My favorite thing to wear to bed is a nightgown. I do not like to have anything on my legs, so this one is from Victoria's Secret, and my husband actually got this for me years ago, but they are my favorite nightgowns to wear. So that is what I'm going to put on. And then I found these moisturizing foot masks at TJ Maxx. They were like $4.99 for, I think there's 3 packs in here, and I thought that they looked interesting, so I wanted to try them out, and that's what I did, and I really enjoyed them. You just they're kind of like gloves for your feet, and you put them on for 30 minutes and let it soak in, and then once you are done, you just rub the excess into your feet, and I really like them. And for $4.99, you can't beat that. It's just a nice little thing to have if you want to have a pamper me night. So that's what you see me doing right now, is just putting those things on, and Tucker is coming to join me. I'm gonna sit back in the recliner and watch a little bit of TV. I have been hooked on The Good Doctor on TV, and that's a really good show you should check out if you haven't already. So I've been watching that, and This Is Us. This Is Us is awesome. If you haven't watched This Is Us, please watch This Is Us. It's just an amazing show. I cry almost every episode though, so sometimes I have to take a break and watch something different.
Send a prayer if I'm out of luck. Send a little love and I'll make it back. Send me a letter and a bottle of wine, telling me I will be.
So this is pretty much a typical evening for me, guys. This is what I do after I put the girls to bed. I just like to have a nice relaxing bath and pamper myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to check out the description box for links to anything that I mentioned, and don't forget to check out the Grove deal because it's a really awesome deal, and I don't want you guys to miss out on it. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up and show Tucker some love if you think he is the most adorable little baby in the whole wide world. Bye, guys.
Halfway